Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our last lecture we have discussed about history, architecture, components, then intelligent agents with environments. I have mentioned a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session we will discuss the next important topic, that is types of intelligent agent. Let's start the session. Previously, we have already discussed all the subjects in detail with practical demo, simple explanation, solve examples with important question bank. Please share my channel with your friends and subscribe it. That will be beneficial for everyone. Now let's see types of intelligent agent. As we discussed in last lecture, intelligent agent means who can analyze past information, use current knowledge, and take a better decision for future. So this AI integrated system are called as intelligent agent. For example, ChatGPT, Gemini, then recommendation system, self-driving car. So all the application which integrated with AI are called as intelligent agent. So there are total 5 types like simple reflex agent, model based agent, goal based agent, utility based agent and learning agent. So let's discuss every type in detail with example. Now the first one, simple reflex agent. Remember this thing. Simple reflex agent make a decision based on current input only. They work on the condition like if then. For example, see, automatic street light. If it is dark, then turn on the light. If it is day, then turn off the light. Simple. Whatever the current input, they perform the action. This thing is called a simple reflex agent. This agent does not remember any past information, does not predict the future, and does not maintain any memory. They work only on current input. Got it? See here in this diagram, like street light. So street light having the sensors. They sense current information, current intensity of light from the environment, right? And as per that information, condition will apply. So this is called as simple reflex agent. So basically it is very simple, fast decision making power and less memory is required because they can't store previous and future data. Also, they works for observable environment. They observed current environment status. And this simple reflex agent majorly used in automatic doors, then street lights, your home appliances, then vacuum robots, etc., where they work on current input only. Now second one is called as model based agent. So this model based agent maintain their own internal model, or we can say internal memory of the environment, because this agent stored previous, current and future predicted information in model. It remember what happened earlier also. For example, self-driving car. So this self-driving car remember previous lane, speed, nearby vehicles, road map, traffic signals, right? And according to all this condition, it predict what happen next. So this thing is called as model based agent. They sense current information from the environment, and as per that they analyze past data, current knowledge, and also they predict the future action. Got it? And for that purpose they required memory here. So this thing is called as model based agent. Now this model based agent is used memory. They having fast decision making power because they stored all the data properly. Also works on observable environments. It is more complex because they analyze past data, current knowledge, and according to that they predict the future. So sometimes it is very more complex system, and they required memory storage according the requirement of project. So this kind of application majorly used in robot navigation system, because robot understand the path like previous step, current step, next step, any obstacles. They stored all this information. Again, in smart home system, they also used model based agent concept. So remember this thing. Model based agent analyze past information, use current knowledge and predict the future data. And for that purpose, they required internal memory. The next one is goal based agent. So basically, this agent achieve a specific goal and they work on search and planning process. The best example of goal based agent is Google Map application. See, suppose your current location is Pune and your destination, your goal is to reach Mumbai. So here, Google Map agent searches different route. They find out all possibilities and from that they find out one best shortest path from Pune to Mumbai, right? So this thing is called as goal based agent. They achieve a specific goal by analyzing multiple solutions and find out the best solution accordingly. See here in this diagram, suppose Google Map agent, they use sensor. They sense current information, current prompt of the user, like current location Pune and goal is Mumbai. So after that, this information agent analyzed it and find out all possible path, right? And after that, they decide actual action or best possible path. Got it? So this thing is called as goal based agent. Now, this goal based agent can do proper planning, take an intelligent decision, and also works in dynamic environment. But sometimes it is much expensive as per the criteria or requirement of the project. This goal based agent majorly used in AI chess or any AI integrated applications where taking the best decision, best shot from multiple one, right? Then again delivery robots and also drone navigation system. So to achieve a specific goal, for that purpose goal based agent have used. The next one is utility based agent. So basically utility means how good and how beneficial a particular outcome and decision is. It called as utility. Now this utility based agent also achieve a specific goal, but they also provide maximum satisfaction to the customer. See here in this example, suppose food delivery app like Zomato. So multiple restaurants are listed on it, right? And now restaurant A reviews are it is cheap but slow delivery and restaurant B reviews are fast delivery, good rating and moderate price, right? So utility based agent do the proper comparison between all the restaurant reviews and according to that a particular app recommended restaurant B because it provide the higher utility. They provide maximum satisfaction to the customer. Got it? So this is the work of utility based agent. They answer the question like how happy I will be in such a state, then what action I need to perform. They gives answer of all this question and according to that they satisfy the customer. Now this utility based agent provide optimal decision, handle all risk and uncertainty and also works on multiple factors. Basically, this utility calculation is difficult sometimes when there was vast amount of data and it is expensive. But this utility based agent used in multiple applications like recommendation system like on Flipkart, a product recommendation, then Netflix recommendation of movies and also used in multiple AI smart assistant. So utility based agent achieve the goal plus provide higher utility. The last one is learning agent. So the name suggests that learning means it learns from mistakes, it learns from past data and according to that they update their knowledge. Basically, learning agent improve performance through their experience. The best example of learning agent is recommendation system. For example, Netflix. When you have installed Netflix first time in your mobile, so initially they recommended random movies, but after learning they recommended action movies because user watch action movies more, right? So according the history, according to the user's decision, they recommended the particular product or particular movies, right? So this is called as learning agent. Now, this learning agent learns automatically, they improve over time and also provide higher accuracy. But for learning purpose, they needs training data, right? And this kind of learning agent used everywhere, like in ChatGPT, spam email detection, fraud detection, like Flipkart, Amazon recommended product accordingly. So this is called as learning agent. Now, as per previous year question papers, they have asked this kind of question like explain types of agent with example for 5 marks. So here you have to explain 5 types with example. Otherwise, they have asked like explain any 3 types of agent with example for 5 marks. So you should prepare accordingly. So this is all about. Thank you. Keep learning.